Okay, so this is the finished product of the Murderado with the rims and the lift. It's kind of dark, so it's kind of hard to see. I understand that. Stance matters. When you can lay your water cooler on your tire, you know you got a good stance. So they stick out a little farther than I want. I had to run the 2-inch spacers. This is 15 by 10 Cepek Rims. Center caps aren't on there yet. I need to get the bolts to hold the center caps on. Got the 45 Magnum valve stems. 33 12.5 tires with 2-inch spacers. I tried running it without the 2-inch spacers, and apparently these rims were on a Z71 or a 4-wheel drive Chevy of the same era, and it had drum rear brakes, not disc, and the rear caliper hits the rubs the inside of the rim, so I had to put the spacers on to keep that from rubbing. So I put the spacers on the front. Because I had to put the spacers on the front, I know it's hard to see, we had some rubbing, so I had to do a SoCal trim on the front bumper. I'll do another video of it here shortly so you can see. I still need to trim the back plastic back here because it rubs back there. When you turn too sharp, it actually rubs really bad. Put a few more cranks on the torsion bars to get it up to where it is, because it was standing pretty high, and now it looks like it's settled since she drove it. So yeah, this is the finished product. It's hard to see because it's dark. I'm getting ready to leave for work here in a few minutes, but this is it. So we'll have another video here shortly in the daylight, so you can see it a lot better. I'm happy with it. She's happy with it. Looks pretty badass. So stay tuned, guys. More to come.